How is Lately using AI? And also, what do you see as the future of AI? What do you think will happen next with it?
Yeah, well, so we built what we call collaborative AI, um, which means that a human and the AI interact to get you great results, right? So we did this early on because we saw the difference, and I'll explain this. But Harvard Business Review wrote an article about this, actually, saying that collaborative AI outperforms AI alone 2 to 7x every time, right? And the reason is because the human is able to analyze and course correct what the AI does. And you guys, if anyone has used ChatGPT, you've seen it. Like if you don't prompt the hell out of it, you're going to get a ridiculous answer, right?
Yeah.
So that's super important. We're not a large language model. I'll describe how it works so that you guys can understand. So when you meet Lately, you connect your social channels to our brain, and we're able to now have access to your analytics, right, from your social channels. And we study everything that you've published in the last year, and we're quickly looking at two patterns. I can see when you speak, like what do you sound like when you're writing? Like I can see the patterns that make your voice yours online, and really break down that DNA, words, phrases, ideas, sentence structures, right? I can see all those things. The second thing I get to see is what your unique target audience specifically will click, like, comment, and share.
Right.
So that's our model is made up specifically of your data, not a public data set. We don't sit on top of ChatGPT or anyone else. So guess what? All your results are proprietary and you're totally protected. So that's another kind of benefit. Once we have this model, though, we ask you to feed Lately long form content. This is how it learns. So you can ingest either text, like a blog, a newsletter, press release, stuff like that. It could also be an audio file, like a podcast audio file. You could also ingest a video like this interview or a webinar, any kind of video file. In the case of a blog, for example, Lately's going to read the blog, and it's got your model, and it's trying to lift out the quotes that meet what's in the model. And it turns each quote into a social post with a link at the end of the post, driving people back to the full version of the blog.